Hello and welcome to the Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 30th of April, 2025. I'm glad that you can join us again. And we're going to basically the same trade that we do every day here in the live trading room. All trades taken used for trade of the day are trades taken in the live trading room or uh, by myself or either people in the live trading room trading. Usually it's both. And this is one that I got today. So let's go ahead and go through the trade. Now, as you all know, we look for failure in the market, and then we get the first strong candle going in the opposite direction. So you can't get any more obvious failure than this right here. So what we're going to do is wait for the retrace, as we always do. Give us a little bit more space. We notice by our indicator over here, we expect the next candle to be 100 ticks in length, anywhere from 100 to 120 ticks in length. So we're going to go for 20s on our first target so we can de-risk the trade quickly. And then we're going to go for 50s and 100 tick targets. So let's go ahead and do it. We have to wait for the retrace whenever we have a strong candle. And then we'll go ahead and we're going to buy this long. So we'll start off at regular speed. This is the market speed until we get into the trade. There we go. There's a nice retrace. Now, if it gets hung up on that black line there, we'll get picked up and we should go pretty well. The multiple failures is key. And then the very strong, 17 times stronger than the previous candle. This is a samurai indicator that's extremely well received. All right, we got picked up in the trade. First thing we got to do is put our stop where it belongs. And as we hit our first target, we'll see the stop go. We're getting 20 ticks worth of profit. It'll go to minus 18 or below where we got in. So if the market comes back and takes us out, we have a choice. Takes out a break even. We have a choice as whether we want to re-enter the trade or not. So let's go ahead and give it a little bit more juice. I like to wait till we get our first target taken out so you can watch how the stop automatically moves up into position to a break-even position once our first target is taken out. So there it goes. Well, almost. All right, boom. See how the stop went to a break even? Now, if the market comes back and takes us out, it'll be a break even trade. And there, to 20s are out, 50s are out. Now we're going to try and hit our 100 tick runner. You can do what you want with the stop at this point. We're going to leave it where it is. It's going to be a positive trade no matter what. Now, once you start getting that close, just you can move it all. You can move it to +1 or you can move it to the last brick wall, whatever you want. We kind of left it alone. And just let it run to its 100 tick target. Now that trade took less than 3 minutes to complete. So, and was worth 990 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 990 US dollars in less than 3 minutes, come join us in the live trading room at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. And I look forward to seeing you in the live trading room very soon. God bless you and have a great day.